Englewood, Florida, Cars and Coffee on Wednesday mornings, every morning, and I just spotted this thing. We're going to take a close-up look at this thing. This is really pretty vehicle. It harkens back to the day when America was in full production, mass-producing cars like this. Henry Ford was popping them out up there at Dearborn. And this one sure is nice. And look at the execution of the detail on it. Very beautifully done. Very, very beautifully done. Wow. When I started in the hobby, I was all muscle cars, and I would walk by a car like this. Now, when I see it, I almost freeze in my tracks from the simple fact as you look at the body styles on these, you know, all the way from the 20s, 30s, Art Deco. It's just wonderful designs of the airflow over the wide fenders and stuff like that. It's just beautiful. Classic Americana. And the designers back then were really talented. Very talented. And as a matter of fact, Henry Ford, his son Edsel, was educated at some of the best schools of design in Europe. And the large cars were called Continentals in Europe. So when Edsel got back to the States, he produced some of the renderings. Remember, they didn't take photographs of cars back then. They had drawings and put them in brochures to sell them. And some of the brochures that were produced by Edsel Ford were among the very best in the business. And so when he got back in the States, they formulated the new Lincoln Continental, and that was based on the nameplate from the large luxury cars from Europe. So there you have it, gang. Beautiful, beautiful Ford Deluxe convertible with excellent styling and design. This is Gauze Garage. Thank you.